Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal and wait 10 minutes before touching the stereo or airbag circuits. This prevents shorting and airbag faults. Park on level ground and set the parking brake. Gather tools, plastic trim tools, a Torx T20 driver, a 7mm socket with a short extension, and a 6-inch magnetic pickup for dropped screws. Wear safety glasses. Keep all screws in a small container, and work on a towel to protect plastic trim pieces from scratches. Use plastic trim tools to pry the dash surround straight out from the bottom edges, releasing plastic clips. Work along the top corners gently to avoid breakage. Remove the lower storage pocket by pulling forward and freeing 2 retaining clips, then access the radio mounting screws. Remove 2 Torx T20 screws securing the radio using a short driver to avoid dropping fasteners deep in the dash. Store screws and clips in a labeled container so reassembly is smooth and organized at the end of the job. Pull the radio straight out about 3.5 inches to access the rear connectors and the antenna plug. Support the radio as you work. Unclip the wiring harnesses and the aerial by pressing retaining tabs and gently wiggling while pulling. Avoid yanking on wires. If a metal retention plate is present, remove it with the 7mm socket. Before final reassembly, reconnect the negative battery briefly to bench test the radio and speaker outputs. Then disconnect again and reassemble once functionality is confirmed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.